Welcome. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to add an image in React.js website. I have already prepared everything that we need to make the tutorial a bit short and precise, and in my case I'm going to place the image on the navbar. So I'm going to place a small image here so that we can have a look at it, and maybe you can use it for a logo. And in order to do that, we need to have an image, and in our case we are just going to simply grab an image here. We can grab like this one because it is for demonstration purposes. You can save it on your desktop or anywhere else. In our case, I'm going to save it on my desktop as an image, and it is going to be a JPEG. So save, then go to where you save it. Mine is on the desktop, and here it is. I'm going to drag it a bit so that I can have a better look at it. Then next, I'm going to come to the asset folder, and this is where I want to place it. So I'm simply going to highlight it, drag it, and drop it into the assets. And here it is now in the assets, and it is opening, it is here, and we can see it. So next, we need to navigate to the navbar where we want to place it. We need to import it from where it is. So in this case, I'm going to import it as an image from, you can give it any name. This is simply a name. You can change it. We can call it a ball or a bag. Let's call it bag. I'll show you that you can call it anything. So we are going to get it from assets. Then the name of our image is image.jpg. So we give the name of the image here, JPG. Next, we can come to where we want to place it. In my case, I want to place it around this place so that we can see it. And I'm going to maybe to zoom it a bit for you so that you can have a better view of it. This is where I'm going to place it. So image and source is going to be equals to curly brace, or we can give it a note, maybe like a logo, just in case it is not going to be, we are not going to view it. So this is the alternative name. So next, once you import the image from where you have placed it, in our case it is in the assets. So this is the folder in which it is, and we have provided a path to it. Then you simply come to the source and type the name that you have given to it. In our case, we call it bag. So we can save it, and here it is. The image is here. Now the next thing that we need to do is to go to the CSS folder and to give it some size, to size it so that it can fit where we want it to fit. In our case, we want it to fit in the navbar. So I'm going to go to the navbar. It is on the left div. This is the left div where it is. So we come to the nav and CSS document. This is the class of the div. So just next to this class, dot left, the name of the class, then we get image, then we can give it a height of 40 pixels and a width of 40 pixels as well. Then we save. Then we have our image here. You can size it the way you want. This is how you insert an image in a React.js project. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and to subscribe to the channel because I will be releasing other tutorials on how to insert a background image, and as well the different methods that you can use to insert images in a React.js project. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.